I'm passing this phone to the Honey Bunch So Sweet ni Dexter. Mwah. Oh. I'm passing this phone to the most beautiful teacher in I'm passing this phone to... Pumuyo ka! Hindi pa ikaw. I'm passing this phone to the most humble, kind person I've ever known.
I'm passing this phone to someone who is very kind and... You're so mean. It makes me smile every day. To Ma'am Cha!
I'm passing this phone to the makulit, matabil na estudyante ko.
I'm passing this phone to the Morena girl.
I'm passing this phone sa Maribo kag mabuot na estudyante kag Brightport.
I'm passing this phone sa pinakaputad kag pinakagurang sa amon room. I'm passing this phone sa amon opa.
I'm passing the
I'm
passing this phone sa pinaka-bright sa math. I'm passing this phone sa pinaka-bright sa math.
I'm passing this phone to the person na confident sa lahat ng bagay.
I'm passing this phone to the model person I've ever known. I'm passing this phone for the person Tamadan.
I'm passing this phone to aesthetic girl sa amon section.
I'm passing this phone to someone na matangkad sa MSSI at maganda.
I'm passing this phone to the next president of SSG ng MSSI.
I'm passing this phone sa taong OA. I'm passing this phone to a beautiful girl.
I'm passing this phone to someone na mahilig sa chocolate.
I'm passing this phone to someone na pinakamaribok sa section namin.
I'm passing this phone to someone who's naghahabol sa kanya.
I'm passing this phone to someone na ang putot sa amon school.
I'm passing this phone to my best friend and the most smarter but maldita and maingay sa section namin.
I'm passing this phone to someone na mahilig mag-uli kada hapon.